Hi, I'm Sean, and I have thousands of hours wearing balaclavas, but do not wear an N95 face mask in the water on a rescue watercraft in an active ride. And here's some reasons why that you might want to take into consideration. It's not safe. Okay, we have our K38 instructor who is called Apex Predator. Apex Predator has already been in the salt water, in the ocean, in the surf, running through some swell. Now, when he transports a survivor, he's not going to go over 25 miles an hour unless it's an extreme situation. Ideally, that's a safe transport speed. However, when he is going to respond, like an Apex Predator instructor, to an incident, he will probably be going under 3/4 of the top maximum speed of the personal water. This is a demonstration on our wind speed machine. And here we go. So you can see how fast it's going to be. I can turn on the wind machine. 17.1 miles. And let's pump it up a little bit. About 28 miles an hour. Okay. So he could expect, if the conditions are calm, to be operating at 45 miles an hour. But our wind test only went up to 28. So let's go ahead and give this a shot. Okay, so this is about a 20-second saturation that would demonstrate riding in rough water conditions, wind, and then going through the surf. I definitely could expect a little bit something different. So basically, to breathe through this, let's see here what it would be like. Getting mouthful of water. Mouthful of water. That's what I'm getting. Mouthful of salt water. So, breathing with this is very hard. And I'm getting a mouthful of water. So he just went through a wave, right? Went through a small wave. Let's take a look and see where he is with his mask saturation. Okay, so he's breathing that in. Awesome. Now, let's take a look at a balaclava. I have taken a rubber band and tied off the parts that don't cover the mouth. So here we are. We'll just do what? 3 dips? 3 dips. Okay, let's see what we got. All right, there's your evidence. In case inquiring minds wanted to know what the truth is about wearing a face mask while operating a rescue watercraft. Thank you, Apex Predator instructor. You've been outstanding as usual. You can stand down now. Go back to your shelf.